Unlocking the secrets of workplace education. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many of us in our professional lives: workplace education. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to expand your skills, understanding what workplace education involves is key to personal and professional development. Let's explore what it means and how it can benefit you. Workplace education refers to learning and training opportunities provided within the work environment. This can include a range of activities, from formal training sessions and workshops to more informal learning experiences like mentoring and on-the-job training. The goal of workplace education is to help employees gain new skills or improve existing ones, directly contributing to their personal growth and the overall success of the organization. Why is workplace education so important? For starters, it helps employees stay up to date with the latest industry trends and technologies, ensuring that the company remains competitive. It also plays a crucial role in employee satisfaction and retention, as it shows the company's investment in its employees' growth. Moreover, workplace education can lead to increased productivity and innovation, as well-informed and skilled employees are more likely to come up with new ideas and work efficiently. Workplace education can take many forms, depending on the goals of the organization and the needs of its employees. Here are a few examples. Formal training programs, structured courses on specific topics, often leading to certification. Workshops and seminars, shorter sessions focusing on particular skills or knowledge areas. Mentoring and coaching, one-on-one guidance from more experienced employees to help with personal and professional development. E-learning and online courses, flexible learning options that employees can pursue at their own pace. To truly benefit from workplace education, employees should be proactive, seek out learning opportunities and express your interest in development programs. Set clear goals. Understand what you want to achieve through workplace education and how it aligns with your career objectives. Apply what you learn. Try to implement new skills and knowledge in your daily work to solidify your learning and demonstrate its value. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of workplace education. Whether you're an employer looking to invest in your team or an employee eager to grow, embracing workplace education is a step towards achieving your professional goals. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and workplace education is a key part of that journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.